Special city situations. By using the IPDE process and the zone control system, you will be ready to adjust to every driving situation ahead of time. Describe the procedure for turning left or right from a one-way street. Most city roadways are two-way streets with one lane going in each direction. Other streets have two or more lanes going in the same direction. Many city intersections do not have traffic controls. You cannot be sure what other drivers will do as you approach an uncontrolled or blind intersection in which your view of traffic on an intersecting road is impeded. Some intersections have special left turn lanes. If you turn left at an uncontrolled intersection, you must yield to oncoming traffic. We've talked about this several times. One-way streets can move to a greater volume of traffic with fewer conflicts than two-way streets. How to identify a one-way street. Look to see if a one-way sign is posted, all moving traffic and parked vehicles point in the same direction, broken white lines separate lanes, and traffic signs face the same direction. What two clues identify this as a one-way street? Well, there's the sign and parked cars are all facing the same direction. To make a left turn onto a one-way street, position your vehicle in the nearest left lane. Make a sharp left turn into the nearest lane going left. Now, this right here, if you've got two cars turning, you've got to stay. If you're in this lane, you've got to stay in this lane as you make your left turn. If you plan to drive on a one-way street for a distance, try to avoid a lane that is next to parked vehicles. If a center lane is available, use it to reduce possible conflicts. When you plan to turn, position your vehicle ahead of time. Move into the right or left lane at least one block before your turn. To turn right onto a one-way street, turn from the far right lane into the first available right lane. Leaving one-way streets. To turn left, position your vehicle in the far left lane. To turn right, position your vehicle in the far right lane. Complete your turn by entering the nearest lane going your way, nearest available lane. On some one-way streets, the outside lane may be for turns only. On other one-way streets, you can turn to a multi-lane street from more than one lane. Right here, you got two lanes that will allow you to turn left. Actually, three. Look at that sign up there. You can go straight or turn left from that lane. Signs or signals will alert you when a one-way street is about to change to a two-way street. There it is, the little yellow two arrows, opposite direction. To turn left from a one-way street, turn from the far left lane to the first available lane. Turn into the nearest available lane every time. Explain how to warn a driver who is driving on the wrong way on a street. If you encountered a vehicle headed the wrong way on a one-way street, slow, steer right, sound your horn. If you have time, flash your headlights to warn the other driver. If a vehicle suddenly emerges from an alley, slow down and cover your brake. If necessary, let traffic clear before you move ahead. If you cannot move left, be prepared to stop. When driving on city streets, you should maintain a continuous, orderly visual search pattern. Even though drivers may have a green light, they are required to stop for pedestrians. So you see this guy right here. If you must drive close to parked vehicles, be alert for possible conflicts. At the first sign of conflict, slow, stop, or move to another lane. Speed bumps, little humps one must drive over. Special islands that force drivers to slow, and traffic circles help to manage traffic. Research has demonstrated that roundabouts can improve traffic flow and cut crashes, leading to injuries by up to 75%. We'll see a little video on the roundabouts. What lane should you use when making a left or right turn from a one-way street? What should you do if another driver approaches you from the wrong direction on a one-way street?